Gina Alahar brought an actor's empathy into her directing.
Nung artista pa lang siya, ginagalang na siya eh. She's a multi-awarded actress.
Pwede ko siyang describe TOTOO. Totoo. Sa pagkatao, sa pagiging artist. Dedication and love. Love for the craft of acting and directing.
Gina Alahar.
But most importantly, it's about honoring all the women who came before me. The many women working beside me now, mga babaeng hindi natakot pumasok sa isang industriya na hindi laging welcoming. This award belongs to every Filipina who continues to fight for her place in cinema.